So now on to a sneak peek at Coventry Point demolition. Now this is a sneak peek because we're going to do a full presentation case study in another webinar next year. So this is a bit of a cheeky Christmas peek into your presence. This project included the top-down demolition of a large panel system structure, slap bang, right in the middle of Coventry city centre. Coleman and Company were the demolition contractor on this job, and the client being Coventry City Council. The key risks on this job were the proximity to the public. The photo on the right was taken pretty much where the site hoarding was located. And that also is an LPS structure. So large panel system structures are fraught with risk. You may have heard of the progressive collapse disaster on at Ronan Point in 1968. That was on a 22-story structure. So this disaster led to a considerable change in the way we view these kinds of structures and also how we design structures in general too. There are many types of LPS structures, but they all have similar risks. And these risks are latent defects in the structure as it was constructed, and the progressive collapse mechanism. Andon have extensive experience in preparing pre-demolition reports, advising on demolition methodologies, and preparing temporary work schemes in connection with the demolition of high-rise LPS structures. And we also have the knowledge, experience, and understanding of these risks, and have the knowledge, experience, and understanding of how to mitigate them to ensure a safe demolition method. So here are some further photos of the demolition works, which was progressed top down with small excavators and crash decks. And then here we are nearly at the ground, showing the structure with the scaffold encapsulation. And then finally, the last stage of the demolition. So in summary, we worked with the project team to provide effective solutions and reduce risk through design. And now it's time for a quick break. And then followed by the, a little quiz that we've got planned for you, which will have some prizes too. So please add any questions into the Q&A system, which is shown on there. There's the bar at the bottom, and then we'll answer those at the end. So I think now it's handing on to Angus.
I think Christian's actually going to be the man